In this video, I'm doing a flip through of Rongrong's fall release number 2, and as always, it's really good. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Let's start off with Chicago, then we're going to go through the Latina collection, Bookworm and Autumn and Winter boxes, then the girl sticker sheets, and sticker storage album. This collection is from Rongrong's trip to Chicago for the Chicago Planner Conference. So she used that as inspiration for a new collection for us. This one is like Chicago, little Chicago sticker right here. Let's put that there. Okay, her new pet tapes are so cool because they're matte texture and they're see-through, and so they look like real printed on your paper when you put them in your planner. Let me show you. So like it looks like it's printed right on the paper. I love the new matte pet tapes, and she has so many Chicago theme designs, and her color palette for this collection is like a primary colors, red, blue, yellow, and then all your classic Chicago things. Chicago sports, Chicago food, like deep dish pizza, the Cubs. So many cute themes. Look at those little planners. You are exactly where you need to be. So let's check out the stickers in this set. She always has some paper stickers and some clear stickers, so you have like a really good collection. So we have boxes. These are paper boxes, all in the Chicago themes. Chicago. And more boxes. So I think there's 4 or 5 paper sheets, and let's see how many clear sheets. I think there are also 5 of these. So let's check these out. Clear. All our girls, of course, all in their coordinating outfits. Was that 5? Let's see how many clear sheets there are. Yeah, so 5 clear sheets and 5 paper sheets. I will have all the pricing and the names of everything in the description box, so it's easy to find when you shop, and you can use my affiliate link also in the description box and pinned in the comments. Next up is the Latina collection for October. I believe October is our Latin month, so she gave us a Latina sticker book for the month of October. Let's look at the matching pet tape too. Look how pretty. I love this color palette. Pink and orange. So pretty. All right, let's check out the matching sticker book to the pet tape. All right, I'll try to go fast because I can get lost playing in the sticker books. But I know you just want to see the stickers and make your decision. Do you need it in your collection? So we start off with paper stickers, and oh my gosh, I love those. I love the checklists that have patterns on them, and the small boxes like those. I use those a lot in my planner. So we have like a really good collection. Some are blank where you can write in them, the boxes, and these are paper stickers. Some are decorative. So I really like having all of those choices for making my planner spreads. And bullet points, which I use in my planner. These are some of my favorite stickers, the ones with that little torn edge on them. I always use those. I love those. We have some florals that are cut to the edge of the flower, so it looks like a flower in your planner. Look at these. You can write on them. They look like little mirrors. Boxes and circles. Some you can write on, some that are decorative. I love these colors. Really good color palette. Oh, okay. I love this too. If you're not sure how to layer your stickers, there you go. They're already done for you. That's so easy and fast if you just want to get your planner decorated quickly. Look, they're like pre-made for you. Also, it's good inspiration. So you want to layer like some background florals and then a few boxes of different sizes. I love it. Letters and little like icons in there too, and some numbers. So you can do a few dates or a few words in your planner. Washi strips, so you have everything all in this one book. And then we have clear stickers in the back. So those are all paper and then clear in the back. Ooh, I love these kind that are already like trimmed to fit in your planner. So you just peel out that whole thing and then it just goes along the edge of your planner. So here's our decorative girls and our iconic Latina ladies. Café con leche. Love it. Ooh, pretty. Love all the colors. These are like pre-cut for you too, so you can just put them right on the edges of your boxes or the edge of your planner page. Latina. Love it. Really good one. I love her sticker books. They're just so good. Next up, we have something new. Well, let's see. It looks like maybe she has done a Hobonichi kit before. I didn't realize that. So this is volume 2, Hobonichi Cousin Kit, which is really cool. And this is a collab with JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. So this one is like a little mini kit. So you can do like probably 2 or 3 planner spreads with it. And I don't have a Hobonichi yet. I'm trying not to buy every single planner on earth. So I don't have one of those yet to share how to use this kit in the Hobonichi, but I love this little tiny sticker kit. It's so cute. And again, it has a really good collection of decorative, functional stickers you can write on, bullet points, some like washi strip decorative kind of things. I just love this collection, and it's a really good fall color palette. Next up in this color palette is Autumn and Winter Box Sticker Collection. 24 pages of planner boxes. And this is definitely a functional sticker book I can use. If you're new to planning and stickers and you're not sure what to get, you should get 2 sticker books. One decorative with a theme that you love and one functional. And if you're not sure, get one of the box sticker books. I use these all the time for decorating my planner. I love box stickers to write in. It just kind of highlights something important. So if you have something important in your day, put it in the box and then it'll stand out on your week. But also look how pretty this color palette is for fall. It's like all different shades of like brown and gold and navy blue. Really, really pretty. And I love the variety of box sizes. Your boxes don't have to fit in the box in your planner. You can use all different sizes of boxes in any planner. So, and same thing like circles, just layer them around. They look really cool in your planner that way. Some page flags, boxes and checklists, more different sizes. And so like these solid ones you can layer behind another box. So it'll have like some cool dimension to it. Really like that. So we have just a whole bunch of really good fall colors in functional box stickers. Ooh, I like this gray. That's really pretty. It's like a brownish gray. So is this, like another shade of brownish gray. And we have our greens. And these are all paper, so you can write on all of these stickers. More different shades of green, all different box sizes. So good and so functional. Ooh, here's some more lighter greens, like green to gray shades. I love all these neutral colors. These are really good. and then some navy, green and navy. I hope the color comes up good on the video. It's really pretty in person. Last but not least, Rongrong has released single sticker sheets with a few of the larger iconic fashion girls. She's calling it the Fashion Girl Vault Collection. And they all have names. So I'm going to read off the names as I flip through these. And then we're going to put this one in the storage album to test that out. The sticker storage album has like a really good sturdy cover, really pretty rose gold wire binding, and then like a super pretty fall floral journal kind of design on the inside of the covers. The back section has 1, 2, 3 folders. So like, like clear sheets. So you can, it's kind of like a folder. You can put a whole sticker sheet in it like that into the this, or you can put your other sticker sheets, the smaller ones. You can slide those right in there too, really easy. I have some of mine like that in the collection. And then the pages on the inside are like super slick to where you can put your stickers on here, which is really great for either storing your sticker sheets, like loose sticker sheet stickers, extra stickers, or like these kind of sticker sheets, which is what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to put the ones in here, or for planning your sticker spreads. If you kind of know, like if you're flipping through your sticker books and you want to plan out your spread, you can put your stickers right in there to kind of collect all the ones you want to use for decorating your planner. All right, let's get started with this. Marilyn Monroe. I'm going to try to, let me stop moving around so you can see it. Marilyn Monroe. Do it like this. This one's called Girls Support Girls, Kelly. This one's called Hustle and Heart, Erica. Audrey Hepburn. Zendaya, Curvy Girl, Zendaya. Lady Latte. Selena. Teresa, Lipstick and Hustle, Teresa. Be Beautiful, Carmen. Wonder Woman, of course. Fall Girl, Rachel, she's named her. Lipstick and Hustle, Anna. Thank You, next, Vanessa. Just a Girl with Goals. Slay All Day, Kim. And Hocus Pocus. So let's open up this little Hocus Pocus one and put it into our sticker storage album. Okay, so we have our sticker sheet here, and the back of every sticker sheet tells you a little bit about Rongrong and the shop. And then these are they all paper? It looks like they're all bright white paper, like matte stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and peel these because I will definitely be using, I'm going Halloween the whole month of October this year. So I hope to have time to post 5 October Halloween planner spreads, because those are really fun to do. And these ladies will be going in my planner, one of my planners. So that's all you do. You just put your stickers on the paper and they stick right on and they peel right off. Super, see, they stay on, but they peel off easy. So it just holds your stickers just like that. It's really cool. Make sure you're subscribed to my Planner Tips newsletter to get your free planning checklist and also bonus goodies and other coupon codes and planning tips. Everything is in the description box. See, there's here's the clear sheets in the back. I'm going to throw these 2 smaller sticker collections in here. As always, check out the description box for my affiliate link and the list of all of these goodies. And leave a comment and tell me which of these collections you want to see in a Plan With Me video. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!